So ladies and gentlemen, now behind me down is the Siddheshwar temple. We have seen how vigorously and slowly but systematically these people danced the Bhawartalo and the Talgadi, one type of Talgadi. And now they have come up this slope over here at this junction where there is this pad over here, and from here they are going to cross over the hill and go to the Masjid, the Pir Sahib Masjid. So ladies and gentlemen, let's walk along with them and see where they are going and what they do. We promote the communal harmony of Goa that has come down to us from the last few centuries. So ladies and gentlemen, let's live up to that Goan ethos of communal harmony. From the Siddheshwar temple down on the other side of the hill, they have come walking up. Some have driven. Earlier they used to walk, now they have got motorbikes. And from there, they left the bikes on top. And then they didn't come down by the original road. They came down from a pass. A pass is a stone road which has got a few stones flat and one stone on top when it was at a slope. The reason was that people should not slip and fall. And people tell me that they used to walk down that thing. But on the way down here to the mosque, there is a Datta Maharaj temple. So you can see them, they go there, they dance. And from there, they come dancing all the way between the houses. And here you can see the crowds already coming down on their way to the Surla Tar mosque, where behind there is a grave of Pir Sahib. After they have danced on the courtyard of the Datta Maharaj temple, you can see them walking so beautifully. आमच्या गोंयान इतली माणकुली beautiful घरां आसा, नळ्यांची घरां आसा. You can see them walking in between. This is a typical scenario of a Goan village. You can see I am standing on one of the steps of the houses, and to my left you can see this big procession coming from the Surla Siddheshwar temple to a mosque. How more beautiful can Goa be? Just look at the joy on their face. Look at these two young people who are so beautifully engrossed. The big percussion is the dole, and the one being played with the small sticks is the shamir, and what that brass instrument is the kasare. These are the Goans. There you have got a big wave from all of them. Please do come and see this, because these beats, let them travel down to the generations that come. Let us take the message of communal harmony. Let us make Goa a beautiful symbol and a pilot for the world to understand how people can shed whatever their differences are, come together and let us enjoy. Let us live in harmony. Let us have community.